Have you ever paused to ponder the fascinating possibility of plants having senses, much like our beloved Marvel character, Groot? Imagine, just for a moment, a world where your favorite potted fern could feel your touch, listen to your conversations, and even respond. Groot, the endearing tree-like being, exhibits a range of senses we traditionally associate with animals. He can feel, listen, and even communicate, albeit with a rather limited vocabulary. But is this pure fiction? Or could our earthly green companions share more in common with Groot than meets the eye? Plants, it turns out, are not as senseless as you may think. They demonstrate a keen awareness of touch. They possess a sense of space that prevents them from sprouting when planted upside down. They even respond to vibrations, entering a defensive mode much akin to an animal's fight or flight response. Plant specialists argue that there's a strong similarity between animals and plants when it comes to sensation, as both undergo a chemical process in response to stimuli. But here's where Groot and Earth plants part ways. Groot can walk and move quickly, abilities that no plant-animal hybrid on Earth could possibly replicate. Yes, plants do move, growing toward sunlight, for instance. But their cellular structure prevents them from forming muscles and moving as swiftly as Groot does. So, while an Earth plant's capacity to respond to stimuli is impressive, it's a far cry from the abilities of Groot. But remember, Groot is an alien. The constraints we see in Earth plants may not apply to alien flora. On other planets, it's conceivable that plants could develop their own thought processes. These thinking plants might not be rooted to the ground. Just as animals develop the ability to think to find food, a plant might evolve the ability to think, and even to move. This could result in a thinking walking plant, remarkably similar to Groot. So, to sum up, while Groot's abilities are beyond those of Earth plants, the basic principles of sensation and response to stimuli are surprisingly similar. The key divergence lies in mobility, with Groot's ability to walk and move quickly setting him apart from Earth's flora. But who's to say what's possible on alien planets? Perhaps the cosmos is teeming with Groots just waiting to be discovered. So next time you water your plants, remember they might be more similar to Groot than you think. Just don't expect them to strike up a conversation. Not yet, anyway.